Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov. Everybody is in shock when see this hand. Someone said that this is the hand of dead woman. Please never say such things when you don't know this person, because right now I'm gonna show you how to transform these nails. And when you see the result after my work, you will never imagine that these nails were dirty and looked bad. After watching this video, you will understand that we are nail technicians and we can create miracles with nails. And no matter who it is. And as you can see, I have already washed fingers and nails of this woman using the soap. And now I'm gonna do my best to make happy this woman. You know, a lot of people are sitting in warm places and you all see beautiful things around you, and you just can't imagine that there are a lot of poor people in the world. They have to work hard in warehouses, working on hard manufacturers, for example with coal, like this woman, and her skin are black from the coal. And I also have the client, her skin smells like fish because she works with fish every day. And I know that a lot of nail technicians will understand me, because when you used to work with such people, and of course you will never be squeamish of people who have, for example, dirty hands. A lot of viewers of my channel said in comments, why just this woman doesn't wash her fingers and hands using the soap? And I can answer your questions, guys, now. When your life is too hard, sometimes you forget about all these things. You just need to come back home and sleep. And you know that in the morning you wake up and go working again and again. And this is my video not for only teaching you my techniques. I just want to say that you should love all people around. And you should understand them, because I know it's easy to go asking for help by the market, but these people are stronger than other people because they make money and they do the hard work. Such work most of you will never do. And of course I will always make nails for this woman for free and create amazing flowers that she loves on her nails. And I can say more, I will do also toenails for her, and in my next videos I will make a fantastic tutorial of pedicure and toenails for this woman. As you can see, guys, I have already prepared these nails using my high quality tools. I already told you that I suggest these tools in my Smile online market, shapeofnail.com. And I also, guys, continue make videos in close shots in high quality. I just not only want to open all secrets for you of my works, I just want you to understand that this is the art for me. And no matter what people think about this technique, even if I have only 10 viewers, I will continue doing such videos. For example, if I were you, I would be very satisfied of watching close shots and high quality tutorials. When I was the beginner, I have no chance to watch such tutorials. I made a lot of experiments, and of course there were a lot of fails. And of course some commenters say that all my work is a big fail. I don't listen to such commenters. I'm fanatic of my work, and I'm only read comments of people who likes my work, and I wish them to be successful, and I will give all to help them, and I will continue making videos. Do you want to know the difference between people who like or who just like his work, or the person who just crazy of his work? For example, me 10 years ago, when I started doing nails, My doctor said that that profession not for me because I had a herniated intervertebral. And all the time I had pain in my ass while sitting and working while doing nails. And I thought that that was over, because I couldn't work with such pain in even 1 hour. Do you know what I decided to do that time? I teach my old brother do nails. He was a builder that time. I just teach him do nails and I start working standing. I became the first nail technician in the world who works standing. And no one knew about it because I have never made any video shots of how I work standing. We divided our work on 2 parts. My brother sculpted and shaped nails and I applied the nail design. And I also worked with the management and advertisement of our nail studio. All people around asked when they came to the first time, well, why are you working standing? And I used to answer that my work as a show, I like dancing and creating the nail design. And I hope you understand everything. Everything stays on its places. And you can see that my brother is good in sculpting and shaping nails, and I'm good in nail design, especially in nail painting. So right now, as you can see, I'm drawing flowers, and as you can see in this time, all this work I'm applying by myself. I'm using acrylic paint and drawing amazing poppies in this video, and I also can add a little bit more bright leaves. You know guys, this is my favorite part of the work because I can give my personal touch to this nail design, and all my clients adore these paintings because this is something like my personal autograph. And what can I say about my life and work now? Now I'm keeping doing nails in my studio and videos for you. I organize my workplace when I combine. Sometimes I'm working sitting and sometimes working standing, change positions, because I know this is not easy to do nails and stay healthy because it's very hard work. I can only suggest you guys to take care of your health and combine this work with fitness or regular sport activities, because it kills not only on length but also your back. And when we get such pleasure from our work, we have to pay our health. But I'm not such a person who is crying about his problems. I just want to tell you in this video about all things that are in my head now. For example, when this woman came back to infill her nails, she tells me about new stories of her life. Sometimes we're laughing, sometimes we're crying, but she became my real friend. I made a lot of videos with her life stories, and sometimes I feel like she's the main person of my channel. Sometimes I feel like people turn on my videos not only for watching tutorials but for finding out what's new in Luba's life, and maybe some people live together with Luba some moments. Because this is not the film, movie or serial, this is the real life. In this life we can change something, create the miracle on woman's hands, change life of someone. And this is the real art. This is the way to connect people together using artistic things like one stroke painting. So guys, here we go. That was 1 hour ago, and we made the miracle and created fantastic, elegant, floral, very vibrant nail design with amazing poppies. And I placed the piece of my soul into this nail design. And I hope you like that. And I hope you like the way I'm embracing my art. Don't forget to let me know your thoughts about this nail design and these techniques down in the comments. It's a pity that Luba will never read your comments, but I promise you I will share your words with her when she came back to infill her nails, and maybe that time I will make the special tutorial for you how I work with her toenails. And please guys, don't forget to visit my online market shapeofnail.com, because now we have free shipping, and as usual high quality products that were made in Russia are available in my store. It's easy to make happy Russian women. I love you guys. See you in the next videos. Bye.